Okay, so without further ado, okay, let's talk about the part that you are interested the most, the marketing plan, right? This is the one that everyone wants to know. How much can I earn if I invest into the broker, okay, into Opixtech? Now, the highest, what you call expected return is around 134% per annum. This is the highest. Our average, okay, will be 109% profit per annum, okay, per year, guys, not per month, okay? Now, it's very simple, okay? First of all, Opixtech, we offer you three type of packages. One is Opixtech Lite, the second one is Opixtech Pro, and the third one is Opixtech Expert. Now, what differs it is basically the amount that you are planning to invest, right? Like I told you just now, the company have 3 PAM account. So all the investor for Lite will go into one trading account. All the investor for Pro will go into the Pro trading account, and all investor for the Expert will go into the Expert trading account. Now, actually, all of your profits are calculated, okay? It's already calculated, but let me give you a simple walkthrough on how you can actually calculate how much is your monthly profit. So there's two deciding factor of how much you can earn. Number one, okay, is the lot size, okay? Lot size, meaning, remember I told you you're earning from lot rebate, right? Lot rebate is calculated from the lot size. So depending on your amount, okay, we have an estimated lot size monthly. For example, if let's say you are investing $10,000, so your monthly lot size, the amount that the company can trade and perform for you is around 66 to 72 lot per month. Now, if you're investing $30,000, okay, it's 250 to 267 lot size, okay? So this is the first factor. The second factor is how long do you plan to trade in Opixtech? Because we have 3 months, we have 6 months, and also we have 12 months. All right. And depending on the month you choose, okay, the amount that you can make is different as well. For example, 3 months is $13 per lot. 6 months is $15 per lot, and 12 months is $18 per lot. All right. Now, depending on these two factors, you are able to decide how much you can earn. So, for example, let me give you a calculation, okay? So, for example, if let's say I'm gonna use 30,000 to do the translation, all right? Okay, so 30,000, let's take an average 250 to 267. So let's take an average of 260. All right, that's the average lot size per month. Now, if you choose for 3 months, okay, basically you're earning how much? $13 per lot, which is equivalent to $3,380 per month. Now, this is your gross profit, guys. This is not your net profit, okay? But forget about that first. Let's do the next one. So if 260, but if today I choose for 12 months, it's going to be different because now I'm earning $18 per lot, which will amount to $4,680. Okay, so now you see the difference or not? One is 4,600, one is 3,300. This is the difference between 3 months and 12 months. Okay, this is your monthly profit. Now, what do I mean by gross and net income? Because the same as any financial management company out there, okay, we have this thing called profit sharing. Profit sharing in Opixtech is 70-30, as you can see here, which means you will get to keep 70% of the profit that the company make for you. 30% goes back to the company, okay? So in order to calculate your net income, what you need to do is just minus off 30%, okay? And that is your net profit already. This is your net profit. So to make it easier for you to understand, if I invest $30,000 for 12 months subscription, I am earning 3,300, which is around 11%, okay? Now, before I continue, I would like to clarify something first. Does it mean if I choose for 12 months, the company will lock my capital for 12 months? The answer is no, guys. The answer is no. Okay, so you see, true finance can never lock your capital. Okay, the same as Opixtech, you are welcome to withdraw your capital any point, any time that you like. Okay, but of course, there are terms and conditions when you do. And the terms and condition in Opix, believe it or not, to me, is very, very fair. Why so? Okay, let me give you an example. Let's say if I invested $10,000, okay, for 12 months. Okay, so let's say I'm getting $1,000 a month. So 3 months later, I've earned $3,000, correct? I've withdrawn all the 3,000, I've spent it. Now suddenly something happened and I need to use my capital. So what I do, I click pre-termination or early termination to withdraw my capital. Okay, so what the company will do is the company will minus off whatever profit that you have taken and return you the balance, which means the company will minus off the 3,000 that I've earned. The company will return me 7,000. So what it means is I have not made anything, but I've not lost anything as well. Now, this is very fair to me. Why? Because there's no penalty, meaning, why is it fair? Now, if you compare it to insurance, okay, I'm sure all of you have invested in insurance before. You have bought a saving plan before, right? So insurance saving plan, if you, let's say you buy a 10-year saving plan and you've been paying your premium for 3 years, suddenly you don't feel like continuing the plan, so you terminate your policy. Do you think the insurance company will return you 100% whatever that you have put into the company? The answer is no. If you're lucky, you get back 70%. If you're not, some of us will get 50 to 60%. So whatever that is deducted is gone. But in Opixtech, the answer is no, we do not deduct off anything. Okay, you do not lose anything, but you do not make anything. So the choice is yours. Choose properly, okay? It's very fair and square. Now, these are the calculated profit, okay? You can have a look now. So let me give you an example. If you invest $10,000, okay, for 3 months, you're making around $655 a month, which is 6.5%. If you invest it for 12 months, it's going to be $900, which is 9% ROI. Now, whatever calculation you see here is net already, okay, which means this is the amount, the expected profit for you already. Okay, so you can have a look first. Okay, I believe you have taken a look. Let's continue.